Hello everyone, welcome back in a new video. And in this video I'm going to discuss 5 points with you, and that points directly indicate that you are memorizing the solution instead of understanding the logic and the concept. So if you are doing anything that I am discuss in this video, it's immediately to want to change the approach and mindset. Otherwise you never solve a single problem by your own, because this mistakes, this sign directly impact your problem solving skills, your thinking skills, your algorithmic analogy. So if you are doing anything, so that's immediately change the approach. And in this video I'm going to discuss what is the top 5 common mistakes, common symptoms that might be indicate you are memorize the solution, right? So let's start without the video. Let's start a video without wasting a time. So the first point is you can't explain the approach in your own words, right? For example, why did you use this logic? If I'm asking why did you use this logic, then you can give a unrelevant answer. For example, because this is might be optimal approach, or this is the common pattern to solve this question, right? For example, if I am asking why you are using the two pointer approach, right, and you are giving a unrelevant answer because this is might be the optimal approach, or this kind of problem solved by mostly two pointer, right, this kind of approach. Instead of saying this thing, if you are saying, right, because array is sorted, and if you are using the two pointer approach, then might be are efficiently find the our targeting window, right? So this is the first point. If you are not able to give a logical and relevant approach in terms of your own word, you are not able to explain the approach in your words, then might be you are memorize the solution code, not the concepts, right? Not understanding the concept. This is the first point. Now the second point is you are struggle with when the problem change slightly. This is the common thing, right? For example, if you are solving the any kind of problem, pattern wise problem, and if I just twist, if little bit I twist the problem in terms of parameter, in terms of functions, in terms of logic, then you are completely going to be blank, not able to solve the problem, right? For example, you are able to solve two sum problem easily, but if you are going to solve three sum, four sum problem, then you're completely going to be stuck. Why? Because you are understanding the code, how write the code in terms of two sum, right? You are not understanding the logic, why we are writing the two sum code, why we are using the sorted window, why we are using the specific targeting window, right? So if you are understanding the code, if you are able to solve the two sum problem, but you are not able to solve the three sum, four sum problem, it means you are memorizing the code, not understanding the logic, why we are using this kind of sliding kind of patterns to solve the problems, right? This is the second sign, right? Now the third sign is you don't think about the edge case. For example, you are directly write the code without any kind of thinking, without any kind of doing the dry run, without thinking the test cases, and your code might be passed 2 3 common test bus, but after submitting it's getting failed in a hidden test cases. So if you are doing this, then this again the sign of memorization. For example, the best example, you are solving the binary search problem, but you never think about what if the array is empty, what entire the array is negative, what if the entire array is negative but unsorted format, right? If you are not thinking like that, so might be you are memorize the solution, right? Now the fourth point, you code without dry run. Again the common mistake. If you are not able to solve the problem and you watch the tutorials, or you read the some documentation or article, and you just imagine your in your brain ki you are just okay, now I'm understand the code, why this written this line, why this written that line, right? And after that you can directly write the code and submit. So in your terms might be you are understand, but you are memorizing the code. You just the right approach is you just understanding the code, write on your paper, write on the paper and just dry run using the any test cases, and try to understand why we are using this particular approach, why you are using this particular algorithm to solve the problem, this particular problem, and how test cases work when I give this some kind of boundary test cases, right? So this point again show you are might be try to memorize the solution, right? Now the last point is you can't apply the same concept in a new problem, right? So what does this mean? for example, you are solving the sub array sum problems like sub array sum equal to k, but you are not able to solve count sub array with given XOR even through both using prefix sum. Same thing when I discuss the in the two pointer kind of things, right? For example, you are able to solve the sum array kth sum array sum problem, but we are not able to solve the kth sum array with a given XOR. Why? Because we are just try to memorize the solution, how we solve the sub array problem, but we are not asking why we are solving the sub array problem using this approach, right? Example, that code might be you remember for the how to find the subarray using the dynamic programming or the recursive approach, but when I give a constraint, you just find the subarray maximum subarray using the XOR operation, then you are completely going to be blank. Why? Because you memorize the solution using the memorization approach or DP approach, or kind of the DP on string, DP on subset, kind of this all the algorithm to find the subset, subsequences, subarray, but you just memorize the solution, not understand why we are using this kind of approach in that particular problem, right? So if you are doing this kind of thing, then again indicate you are memorize the solution instead of understanding the things, right? So these are the top 5 common problems, or you can say common mistake, or you can say common signs that indicate might be you are memorize the solution, that's why you are not able to solve the any single problem by your own. Even if by chance you solve, then not able to repeat after 2 days and 3 days or after a week, right? So if you are doing anything that I discuss in this video, immediately change the approach, start understanding the logic, start dry run, start understanding the code line by line using the test cases, using the boundary cases, then you are able to think the problem, then you are able to explain the problem in your words with logical points. Otherwise you always face the problem, this kind of things, right? So yeah, this is all about today video. मिलते हैं कभी और किसी और वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए keep learning and all the best.